This is Moimir. I met up with him in San Diego to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that while meeting people is a universal challenge, anyone can do it. Welcome to the 14th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hey guys, how's it going? I thought you looked great. You just blazed up or what?
You want to take my number down?
Yeah, getting up on the map. My name is Moimir. I'm 23. I've lived in San Diego for around 2 months. I want to push myself a little bit, push my comfort zone out, meet some cool people, and really see what reactions I get.
So what's uncomfortable about meeting people?
I think a lack of context, like just there not being a reason for me to meet somebody. Usually it's like you're in a class together or university or you have some common interest, but if it's just like other than I just wanted to meet you, you know, it's I feel like that's a lot harder. Also, just social awareness. I'm always thinking about what other people might think about me when they might see me talking to somebody or saying hello. Like kind of like judging me in a sense, but maybe that's all in my head, so I'm not sure.
You would say you're like sort of self-conscious?
Yeah, I would say I think everyone's self-conscious. I don't know if I'm more or less than the average person, but I definitely would like to just be a little bit more open and outgoing in that sense, yeah.
Kind of anxiety coming in
Yeah,
today?
a lot, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty terrified, I don't know.
Okay. Do you want to talk to all sorts of people today? Do you want to mostly talk to women you're attracted to? You'll just follow
we
your
can do both.
inspiration?
We can do both. If I see something, I'll just go for it, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
No, let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, hi. How's your day going?
Good, how are you?
I was just walking by. I wanted to say hello. You guys seem like you guys are having an intimate, chill discussion here.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are your names? Sorry. You must get a lot of jokes about Wendy's a lot, and people telling you about that.
Yeah, that's everyone's like pickup line.
Really? I didn't come up with that. I feel like I should get credit for not saying it out. How do you guys know each other? I thought you were cute. I wanted to say, you know.
Thank you, I appreciate
Express my interest. I was wondering if you're taken by someone from Spain, maybe that you met. It would kind of suck.
I am taken, not by someone from Spain, but I am taken.
But
I appreciate the compliment.
Yeah, of course. Well, it's nice to meet you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day here. And yeah, just chill out. See you around. Yeah, just kind of warming up, you know, still. Yeah.
This is just the beginning, so.
Cool, yeah.
Just
Maybe.
keep going,
Yeah. Hey, you don't mind if I just dust my shoes off here?
No, go ahead.
Hello. How's your day going, man?
Pretty good. Finished work?
You just got off work?
Yeah, so I'm just hanging now.
That's awesome.
What about you?
I wish I was supposed to be at work right now, but I got lazy and then I never came back. What kind of work do you do? Yeah, I might do something similar actually. I work on like web forms. Yeah. I started when I was like 18 and I made my own website, and ever since then I've been kind of yeah. It was like with some friends, and then everybody always asks me how to get into like software, but like I think it starts with like a passion project that like you really like and believe in, you know.
Yeah, I mean.
Anyway, it's nice to meet you, man. Take care. Of course. Hi, excuse me. Hi. I was just walking by. I thought you looked great. I wanted to say hi. What are you up to?
Nothing. Just getting tan.
You're getting tan. Do you have that hat to like shield you from the sun?
Yeah, but
Crazy.
I have a spray on to light my hair, make it lighter.
Oh, is that so? You're like
That's
sunbathing
the
yourself
sun.
and your hair, basically, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. What was your name?
What are you up to?
I was just walking down. I'm gonna meet up with my friends and
Are you from
get some
here?
drinks. I'm from San Jose originally. What about you?
I'm from Puerto Rico.
Oh, okay. You were born there too?
I was born there, yeah.
Nice.
Born and raised.
Yeah, I was born in Slovakia originally, but then I moved down here. It's in Europe.
Oh,
Are you looking it up on the map? Because you're, you're like, I'm like, she better know where it is. Wait, what?
cool. Just doing some shopping.
Oh, okay. What are you trying to buy? Another hat?
Just a dress.
Just for yourself?
Yeah.
A wedding dress? You're getting married?
No.
No, not yet. Cool.
I have a boyfriend,
Okay, yeah. Well, it was great to meet you. I hope you buy the dress he likes, and I don't know. Cool. Yeah. Enjoy your day.
but nice to meet you.
Of course.
Any thoughts moving forward?
I need some water, but let's keep going.
Okay, yeah, also, yeah, let's go, bro. Okay, cool. At least you're going at it, so it's good.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so basically there's this group, 5 girls at the beach.
You're gonna be so mean to me. I'm so scared. Hey guys, how's it going? I saw this like professional looking photo shoot here. I just wanted to meet you guys because I don't know what you guys are up to. What are your names?
Taking pictures.
Oh, okay. You're like, we do this all the time. No, not really. Okay. My name is Mark. I know. Oh, you guys have the Kodak too, like the antique looking one. Yeah.
Oh, this? Oh, yeah. Wait, this?
Well, I don't know what that is. That's like from the 1950s. They're like, Jesus. Yeah. What? How do you guys all know each other?
We're like
SDSU?
we all live in the same building.
Oh, okay. In SDSU or?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. Nice. Yeah. I don't know. I was just getting some drinks with some friends. I thought you especially were cute with it's 2221. I don't know. 2021 too cool to care or something like that.
I just got it. It's new.
Okay, cool. Are you taken or are you?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. No, that's breaking my heart. It's okay. I'll just go cry alone, watch Netflix. You know, maybe.
It's really nice to meet you, though.
Of course. All right. Enjoy your photo shoot.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
So first, big props for going to talk to that group of 5 or 6.
Yeah. That was pretty terrifying. I definitely would not do that just throughout my daily life. Like if there's more than like 3 girls, like I'm probably like, oh, I don't want to talk. And then I kind of did like choke up a bit at some point, and then just shot my shot, and then just, you know, she's like, I'm taking it. So I was like, all right, cool. Shit, man, I like your fit.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, what's up, man? How you doing? What you up to?
Chilling, bro.
Chilling?
Yes, sir.
You just blazed up or what?
Sir.
Hell yeah.
Nice out here.
Dude, it isn't fucking amazing right now. Yeah.
The women out here, too.
Oh, I know, yeah. I just meant 6 over there.
There's hell of them under here.
Yeah. Which is cool, dude. Seemed kind of stoned, but
Cool
he's cool.
interaction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely on brand for San Diego, so yeah. Nice. Hello. Hi. How's your day going? Good? Oh, I couldn't hear you for a sec. Sorry. Huh? No, I just wanted to say hi. I was just walking by. Okay. Yeah, you have a nice day. Yeah, for sure.
I know that you're tempted to engage with strangers as strangers,
Yeah.
but try to engage with them as friends. And if they turn out to be assholes, you can always like
Yeah.
retract, you know?
Of course, yeah. Hi, excuse me. Hello. Hi. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I wanted to say hi. I was just walking around. I thought you looked great with your Ray-Bans. Are those the real ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Because I got ones and I think they're fake, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
At a discount, right?
Yeah, probably.
What was your name?
Yeah.
Mark, nice to meet you. You had a very firm handshake there. I was like,
Thanks.
jeez. What are you up to right now? You're just
This? Just
Sunbathing,
chill on the beach
chilling.
for a little bit, yeah.
nothing on the itinerary at all?
No, not really.
Not really? Yeah. Do you go to school here?
No, I moved here for work and then decided to stay.
Okay.
What
Yeah,
are you
yeah.
here for?
I was meeting up with some friends, but mostly just like, I don't know, San Diego seemed like the place to like find myself, or I don't know. Sounds really cheesy, but San Jose was like too corporate for me.
What are you out here doing?
What was that?
What are you out here doing?
Well, in San Diego
No, like today.
today, I don't know, I want to get a drink at the Baja Beach Cafe. Are you down?
I'm not
Listen,
drinking today.
You're not drinking today? Maybe like a lemonade. It's gonna like boost your immune system, maybe. That's what I heard.
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Appreciate
Are
it.
you in a committed relationship with another
I
man?
am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Where did you guys meet? I find it interesting just to.
Where?
Yeah.
Here.
On the beach, like this, like before, like 10 minutes ago, and then it's like damn.
Hinge, but
Oh, nice. And it was just nice to meet you. I hope you enjoy your time here, and I will as well. Also enjoy your day.
yeah, thanks. Nice to meet you.
I just assumed she'd have kind of more of a abrupt reaction, but she didn't. She was very friendly, and that was cool.
You were surprised by how friendly she was?
Yeah. I think we a lot of times see somebody and then we just like assume the worst, maybe, and that's actually you're doing people a disservice by not talking to them and judging them.
Yeah.
So I think by talking to them, you're actually doing
Yeah.
society a service, and I don't know.
And also, I think that by wanting to talk to people, you kind of have to stop the negative judgment, and if anything, turn it into positive judgment, so that you can come to people with a positive vibe.
Right? Yeah. Or don't
Because
let the previous person. Right.
If you talk to people as if everyone is an asshole, then your vibe is going to be off, right? So,
Right. Yeah. That's not gonna work. Hey, excuse me. I don't know. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you guys. I was running romantically after you guys. I don't know if you witnessed, but I came over to say hi.
Hello.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, really? You too?
Yeah.
Oh, are you guys just visiting for the weekend?
Rescued me from San Francisco.
No way. That's where I'm from, actually. San Francisco.
I hate it. Fuck San Francisco.
Wait, why?
It's not cool. I don't like it.
You don't
It's
like.
cold.
You just don't like
depressing.
engineers and like hippies and. No?
I mean, it was fine, but I'm happy to be here.
Oh, cool. Yeah. What's your name? I'm trying to. I have too much stuff. Nice to meet you, Mark. What's your name? Mark. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Kind of sounds Russian a little bit. Are you Russian?
Yeah.
People call me Russian all the time because my name is. Well, I go by Mark, but my real name is Moimir, so it's Slovakian.
Okay.
So everyone's like,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like people have to switch it up. Like
how do you guys know each other?
childhood. Yeah.
Okay, childhood
Growing
best friends.
across the street.
Really? Yeah. In Chicago, like, is that the suburbs or?
I mean, we grew up. Yeah.
My friend went to Chicago a month ago, and he was talking about DiGiorno's or something like that. Giordano's. It's either DiGiorno's or Giordano's.
It's
I
like
don't.
more like a touristy thing.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
it's not like
I mean,
you're
it's
like
fine.
that is a touristy thing. We like local things only, kind of thing. Yeah, I get that.
Maybe.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna grab a drink. I don't know if you guys are down, but spontaneous. Fucking here alone. My friend ditched me.
Well, we're gonna hang out together. But do you want to take my number down?
Yeah, for sure.
Later?
I go to there's this really cool spot called Backyard, and there's this other cool spot called Mavericks. But on Saturday night and Friday night, it's pretty amazing. So, you guys want to come? Like, no, you can decide on the spot. I mean, you don't have to make plans.
She's got a crazy work schedule.
You work on Saturdays?
Every day.
Like, are you on call, or what line of work do you do?
I have a lot of family way.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
All right.
It was.
I just called myself.
It was. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah. Well, if you guys decide, and if you have to leave your home, no, I'm joking. Don't do that.
I don't know how long I'm here, but
All right.
I'll let you know.
Peace out.
how was today?
Yeah, today was good. Honestly, I probably wouldn't see myself, like walking up to a bunch of people, no context, or usually, there's some sort of reason to talk to them. So this was kind of different, and
Well, the reason is you want to talk to them.
right, yeah. And so that was pretty crazy doing that. I feel a little bit more confident, I gotta say, because it never went drastically terrible like I'd imagine it to sometimes.
Okay.
Overall, people are friendly here, and even at times when someone doesn't want to talk to you, it's not the biggest deal in the world. You'll just move on and talk to the next person. So, yeah.
Did you get any insights from today?
Yeah, just to approach people as if I already knew them, instead of coming off like I'm a stranger and I'm intercepting your boundary or your personal bubble. So, that's what I would say. But yeah, meeting people is something that motivates me, because like modern dating right now is just sitting on the toilet swiping on Tinder and nothing really comes out of it anyways. So I think it's ridiculous that we can't talk to people as human beings. And yeah, that's my perception on that. I think today was a nice step forward and just not caring as much and just going for it. So
Okay.
yeah.
Do you have anything to say to people who are watching?
Yeah, just awkward moments are okay. Get out there. Not everybody is going to give you the exact reaction. You can't control it. So just make sure that you're being true to yourself and honest with your intentions, and you'll figure it out. Yeah.
Nice.
If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. My email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you just want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to take part in the challenge, shoot me an email. That's it for today. See you next time.